It nothing better than a little fishing, well, cooking out on the grill. You know, that's man's primal instinct to catch food, to provide for his family, and then to promptly burn it on an open flame. And then she's doing some stuff too. Alright, see you later.
And burn our dinner because you're catching catfish. Did you throw it back in already? What did he catch, a shark?
Look at that fish.
Your little friend.
I don't know what to think of that. What is that?
Let me get behind you here. All right.
Nice size one. Oh, right there. Did I catch it pretty good? Oh yeah, I hooked it pretty good. Come on. I know I want to let you go. Now, settle down.
That was fun. Okay. You're gonna burn our dinner.
Another cat.
Hey everybody, it's 11:15 at night. Brian went to bed at like 6 o'clock. I've been working on my playlist, trying to, whatever, making a mess of my playlists. But I'm dying. I know what this is. This is my shelf for the bathroom. So it's been sitting there for a couple days. That, I ordered a couple of things. That I don't know for sure what it is. And I want to know what it is. So I'm going to open it now. I don't know if I bought it for myself or not. But I need to know what's in it. So let's open it quick. That one will wait. Because that's just a white shelf. This is not what I thought. Okay. Vicky. Vicky sent me some hard candy. Thank you very much, Vicky. I appreciate it very much. Not what I thought it was going to be, but way sweeter. Thank you. Thank you, sweetie. Love ya. I'll see you all soon. I'm sure this will get tacked on to the beginning of something else because, you know, I can't really post a like 2-minute video. But I'm going to have a couple of these. Keep binge watching Becky. So funny. Love her. But yeah, check out Becky's channel. She's new and she is funny. Love her. But yeah, check out Becky because that's what I'm doing tonight. All right. See you in a bit. It is 5:30 on a Friday. I got stuck on the phone for a little while longer than I expected. But here was my great project today. So the M's and the W's are both 2 shades of red. Now, when I was working on this, I was working on it sideways. And this sideways M, let's call it, I put W in there. And I just spent all this time picking them out because I noticed when I went to go get W, it wasn't in any of the trays, and realized what I had done. So yeah, I just spent all this time pulling all those out one by one so that I can replace them now. So whoever charted this, you're a sadist. Okay, anyway. I've been eating my candy. This was sent to me from Danette, and it's from Gina's Unique Boutique on Etsy. Let's check it out and see what it is. Hold on. All right. Isn't this just adorable? Look at this. Enjoy. That's it. Well, I knew who it was from. Okay, let's see what this is. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your free gift from Gina's Unique Boutique. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's a mermaid in a coffee cup taking a bubble bath. And a little heart. They are needle minders. I have never had a needle minder. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Danette. I really appreciate it. You know I love the mermaids. Gina's Unique Boutique. Unique Needle Minders on Facebook and Etsy. Check out your next purchase to receive a discount. Keep away from children, pets, and pacemakers. Okay, I will. Yeah, this is so much cuter than what I've been using, which is those giant magnets from Harbor Freight. But I can't wait to try this. Thank you so much, Danette. Really appreciate it. You're awesome. Danette's the one who got me the punch needle project, and we did punch needle together. Love it. Thank you. All right, now, this also arrived today, and I know who this is from, too. This is from, well, it says it's from the Quilted Bear Limited on Amazon Marketplace, but the person who bought this did let me know, so let's open it up. What do you think it is? I'm going to make sure I see what it is before I announce who it's from. But this is wonderful. What a way to start my weekend, right? Oh, come on. You can do it. There we go. Fully adjustable. Yes, this is from Martine, or T, as she is referred to by her friends, or as I refer to her, Sweet Tea. Thank you so much, T. Okay, let's check this out. Loud. Right. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. It is an adjustable craft stand. So cool. Thank you so much. Will comfortably hold hand tapestry frames up to 24-inch quilting hoops and embroidery hoops. And I'm big willing to bet you I can rig this sucker up to hold a Q-snap, no problem. And it's easy to assemble. All right. Strong magnets can be used in conjunction with the Opus chart holder. It's got a chart holder? Okay. Look at this. Okay, so apparently it has attachments you can buy. Tapestry frame, chart holder. There's like the Grand Poobah. Thank you so much. Really appreciate this. I'm going to put this thing together. Probably do that in a separate video, but let's put it together and try it out so that I can actually like film stitch with me's. It has improved. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love it, love it, love it. And again, this is my shelf for the bathroom. I'm waiting for the other pieces to come before I bother opening it because, yeah, it looks like a shelf. Thank you guys. I so love my gifts. Really appreciate it. I'm going to have fun with this. I can't wait to get like really into the cross stitch. I'll show you my whips though, as long as we're off work. Okay. All right. The diamond painting I chose to do is the hummingbird. So this is the diamond painting I'm doing. It's from Ever Moment. Drills are awesome, except for the fact that they did the W and the M thing. That was not nice. That's all I've got for garbage so far, but love it. They're all very uniform in size, fit together nicely, non-stress, and you can see I'm doing my thing here. Got all the colors going, and then my little tiny area to actually work. Hey, why not? Okay, and then I'll show you where I'm at on my cross stitch. Okay, let's go. hell? Everybody's sleeping. Really? Okay. Anyway, this is my like prime time of night. You know, gets to be off, get off work, and I'm good to go until like 1 o'clock in the morning. So this is my favorite time. I love that all you see is her butt crack sticking out from under there. Okay. Again, thank you so much, you guys. And I am going to go do something else. I don't know. Oh, Jessie took Jasmine to work today. Let's take your dog to work today. I haven't seen her since she got home either. It's been a quiet day. Anyway, okay. Oh, and I moved things around. I'm going to do like a big gallery wall here. Because I got, you know, and then I moved those over there. So that's where we're going with this. So he's back over here. But yeah, we're just going to start filling up this wall. A big old gallery wall. And got those over there. Okay, that's enough of that. Alrighty. See you later. Bye-bye.
I don't know what any of that stuff's for, but the fishing and the grilling, that's the only thing I care about. The women folk and their little kebabs and nickety knacks and all that stuff and all those footsie things and who knows what all that stuff's for. So I don't know. She sure seems happy by it all. Just give me a rod and a reel and a spatula and a lighter, some charcoal and lighter fluid and a truck. Yeah. And a dog. Don't forget the dog. Not one of those prissy little things like she's got either. Yeah.